A very good morning, Dutch bike blogger. Thank you for riding with me. Woman more interested in car than dog. Well, it's a Friday morning. Late morning that is, but it's still morning. Weather report, 5 degrees, cloudy. Wind chill factor makes it a little bit colder. That is wind. Not super much, but there is wind. Left from home on time. And this will be a short bike ride to work. Not sure what that honking was for, but probably for attracting attention. Well, since I left a little earlier than normal, I can afford to go about here. It's going to cost me, well, 1 minute extra. Well, yesterday I was quite early free from work. You see the normal time I was in the schedule. And now it's a late shift, which includes a ride home in the dark tonight. Don't know if it's going to be dry or not. I do hope it will, but there is now also a chance of rain, so I have no guarantees that it will be dry tonight. One can be hoping it's dry. If there's a short burst on the program, I will probably wait out. Mainly because when it's raining I have to put my camera in a waterproof case. And we all know how that sounds. Not good. Scratchy noise, low volume. Ooh, I can feel some raindrops coming down. That's not something that was on the menu today. I thought what the forecast told me there was a weird window when I could go from here to work in dry weather. But I think that hope will be gone very soon. Oh, well, you can feel the rain spatter. Oh joy, not really. But for the moment I'm just going to continue, and hopefully it will be a short, meaningless rain downpour or spatter. Not sure why that bike from the right was trying to get the inside corner. That's where I wanted to go. Still rains better, will be visible on the camera by now. And if not, you'll be informed by me. Feels like the rain is still continuing at its own slow pace. I have to deal with it for the time being. Follow the crowd. And I'm the only one who has to go places. Well, this most certainly has been a quick bike ride. Trying to get where I want to go, not be bothered by rain and other things that annoy me. Well, we made it almost to work. Rain stayed, only rain spattered, lucky enough. No guarantees for this evening. Busy parking lot. Just brake and see how that will go. Well, thank you for riding with me. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the description box. I will see you next time. Have a great day. And like always, be safe out there.